Hello Odooers, we will look at the demo of the exam or quiz Odoo app which is connected with the Odoo survey module. This app helps manage online tests, quizzes and assessments directly inside Odoo. It allows creating exams, assigning them to users, tracking responses and viewing automatic results and reports all in one place. So let's start the app and let's create a new account. I am signed up as Dev Roy. Here is my password and sign up. Once we sign up in the app, we can see all the categories and exam that available in the app. Let's go into general knowledge quiz. Here we can see all details of the quiz in which we have time limitations, attempt limitations and also description. We can add favorite for this app and we can enroll for the exam. Once we get enrolled, then we can of the exam. Here we have options to add a favorite for this exam. Yes, here we can see favorite has been added, and now we have enroll option. We can enroll in exam first, then we can start the exam. Yeah, so we have successfully enrolled in the exam, and now we have button to start exam. Once we enroll in any exam, that exam appears on the top in the home screen, and we can start exam directly from here too. Let's start exam. Yes, so here we have a question and options. We have to just fill and next whatever. Here in corner you can see the timer, as we have time limit of 40 minutes that has started already, and beside the timer you have a option to switch or jump to any questions from anywhere. Like I can go to the question 7, question 10 and fill the question like this way, and also you can go previous and go next from the below buttons. Once I thought that I have completed uh, all the questions, I can check to how many I have answered and how many I have not answered. So I think I just filled all of them, and let's complete the exam. Yeah, so quiz is completed. Now we can see the result and all in the my test section, where you can see enrolled and completed exams. So in completed exams you can see the general knowledge quiz in which total 10 questions were there. From 6 are correct and 4 is incorrect, and I have passed the exam, so I have options to download certificate. Yeah, it asks for the file permission, you have to allow it. It says that PDF saved to the document folder. You can go to the document folder and you will get your certificate. So this is all about in my test section. In exam section you will see all the exams, all the quiz that that have available in the app. Here on the search button you can filter out exams by category, and also you can search for the exams, specific exams if you want. Like this way, I want fundamental 1 exam. Yeah, I can search. Also I can filter from the categories, like I want to filter in technical and IT that have only one quiz. So this way we can filter and search for the exams and enroll the exam and complete the quiz. Under profile section you have options to change your profile, to see your favorite quiz. Here nothing to see. In exam history you can see your completed exams. In enroll exams you will find your enroll exams. In certification tab, if you get any certificate, then also you will download from the certificate section. You can change your app language we have 5 app language option: English, Spanish, French, Arabic, Chinese. You can check in Arabic too, French. Then all the app language has changed to the French. Let's continue with the English. Let's start another exam. Let's start for the marketing one. uh, Once I enroll, I can start the exam. Let's start exam. I have 3 attempts limit. If I fail, I can retry for the 3 times. Once I reach the limit, we can't do again. If I start the exam and if I leave, then it asks for the do you want to exit the quiz without completing it, and if I say yes, then it will take my one attempt, and it will says you didn't pass this time marketing and are failed. So let's go home. In my test section, you can see in completed section that marketing fundamentals I have failed for one time. In try again option, you can see that one attempt has been taken. Here you can see one attempt has been taken, and rest of 2 is pending. So again I have to enroll, and again I can start for the exam. Let's start and complete. Here also I haven't passed for this exam because the passing marks is 55 and I haven't scored that. So again I can try another exam, another attempt, because I have one. Let's enroll for the last one. Let's start for the final round, final attempt. Yes, next, and I am completing again. So this time also I haven't passed for this exam. Now go home, and if I go to again try for this exam, it says that you have reached limit of the attempts. If I try to enroll it, maximum attempt limit has been reached. So now I cannot enroll for these exams anymore. So here we have just shown the quick demo of the mobile app. Now let's see how we can configure any exam that can display in mobile app. Right. So under question and answer tab, you have option for the survey category. You can add any category you want to add. Let's say I will add a new category Odoo and save. So I have just added new category over here, Odoo. Now in surveys, let's create a new quiz, Odoo certification, and over here in options tab, you will find the survey category. So we will add as a Odoo, and you have save. So from the custom, we will select the assessment option. So assessment option will allow you to add your limit attempts. Let's I'm setting as default 1 attempt only. Then below in scoring section, you have to select any of this: scoring without answer, scoring with answer, whatever, and required score you can set. That will check for the exam pass or not. And if you are allowing certificate for this exam, then you have to click and you can set your any template you want to set. Like I have set it modern purple, and yeah, that's it. Also for the time limit option, also we have a flag survey time limit. If we on, and we can select time limit, let's say 50 second I set, and that's it. We have configured all of them what we require. We can add image too for the banner, as we have seen all the exams have banner. But if we do not add it, then default banner will be there. In question tab, now we had to add questions for the exam. Let's add question. Okay, let's add first exam. Here you can select only multiple choice and only one answer, because in app only we are accepting for the multiple choice but one answer. We are not select or giving options for multi select or any other kind of field. Let's add Python. Python is the correct option, so click mark as true and then give score. Let's say 1 plus plus. Yeah, that's it. Save and close. So here we have added two questions only, in which first one is language used for Odoo development, and we have selected the correct answer. And for the second question, which of the following is used to define form view in Odoo, XML, Python, JS, CSV, whatever. The correct option. Let's save. Now this test we will look in the mobile app. Here in the description app you can write any description you want to add. Odoo development certification exam beginner level. As basic description I have just entered. Yeah, so let me again go through for the all the configurations or the setup you have to do to set up any exam. So you can add name, you can add image, choose the option as assessment. Here in question you have to add questions and select question type as only one answer, and you can add your multiple choice and select any one correct and score. Add score for that. In options tab you have to add survey category. You have to add your limit attempts. If you want to make limit attempt, then else no limitation will be there. In survey time limit also you can enable it if you want to, else no time limit will be there. In required score you can set any score you want to set up. That will be used to calculate pass or fail and allow the certification for this survey or this exam. Once we configure that in app, we can see the Odoo certification exam. Let's open it. All the things we have set here we can see. That name, a 2+ question, that time limit, description, attempts only one, and we can add this to the favorite, and let's enroll for that. Remember, it has only one attempt. If I fail, then I can't enroll for the another attempt. Let's start the exam. Here 50-second timer will be start, and which language has used for Python, and next XML. So I know the correct option, so I have selected both as the correct option, and I can complete the exam. But let's see if my time has expired, then what happens. The 5 4 3 2 1, and so I have selected the answers, and it will says that you have passed the exam. 2 questions were there and 2 of them are correct. So I can see the Odoo certification success tab, from where I can download the certificate, and also I can review the exam and see the question, and I have answered like this way. And now I can go to home, and so let's see how the certificate look like. Let's get into the files, and under document section Yes, so we have selected the template modern purple, and here you can see the certificate with my name Devroy and the date from I have passed the certificate. So this way, if you your time limit reached but you have answered your question, that has been saved and will be count for the result. So this is all for the mobile app. Let's see in the Odoo that if any user has enrolled in the exam and passed it or not, how we can check. So this is my, yeah, Devroy has given this exam and attempts 1 of 1, and here I can see the question, if I skipped or not the answer I have given and correct, then score and score count. So this way we can see in Odoo, and also in certificate section we can see the certificate, how many of them enroll and how many of them get certificate for the exam. So from the Odoo also we can see that one is registered, one is complete, and how much of them certified. So yeah, this is all about the Odoo Exam mobile app that is fully connected with the Odoo survey module. Okay, if you found this video helpful, you can like, share or subscribe. Even you can contact us for